Hey sports fans, Clark Brown with Restoration Advisors. I wanted to officially announce that I joined the American Policyholders Association today as a professional member. What does that mean? It means I am putting my money where my mouth is. I'm an advocate for this industry, and I'm an advocate for those that we serve and those that we help in their time of need. But you can't just say that. So I was approached today by my good friend Doug Quinn. He didn't come out and say it, but he says, when are you going to finally join? You're kind of playing around with the idea of it. Let's just pull off the Band-Aid and do it. Where do I sign? So I signed up, put my money down. So I'm a member. It's going to be money well spent. It's not about the money. It's about what are you doing? There are a lot of people who don't have a voice, and those people that don't have one need one. So I'm always yelling at the top of a mountaintop. I'm just going to join some more people doing it about a certain subject, which is American Policyholder Association. It's a nonprofit association. It's an organization. It's a great story. Go to APA or apassociation.org, I believe. I'll put it in the bottom of this video. Fighting bad faith and fraud. A lot of bad faith, a lot of fraud happening inside of the carrier world, and trying to put a stop to that from a high level. Doug Quinn, Heather Shaper, and many other fraud fighters have been crisscrossing this country, meeting with AGAs and district attorneys, other legislative parties, and bringing awareness to this and seeing how we can all fight together, and having a lot of success. There have been some people who have been marched out in handcuffs for bad faith. It's good stuff, good story, good people. Long before there was an association, they were doing this. They said, let's just get real organized. So I joined today. Not sure what I'll be doing, but they have my vote, they have my energy, and I will put everything that I can afford to put in for my time to help. If it's regional or national, or even as we cross over into the restoration, water and fire world, I want you guys to know what it means to have an association like an APA as a resource. Put a link to the APA on your website. You all have customers who you wish you could, how do I help protect them? If they feel like they're having fraud done to them, or if there's bad faith, let them reach out. There's a lot of resources available with the APA. Be the conduit for your clients. I joined today. I'm really proud. I can't wait to figure out what we can all do together. Take care, everybody.